This is how to play My God is Too Much by Dumi Mkokstard. So I will use F sharp, G sharp, and C sharp. I will play it and break it down after. Please don't forget to subscribe, okay? So our song starts right here. My God is too much. Oh, is too much. This God is too much. I love him. My God is too much. Oh, is too much. This God is too much. I love him. So this is how we play it. The progression is very simple, very simple, guys. So yeah, let me break it down first in G sharp, which is A flat. Okay, so it starts right here. This God is too much on this one. Okay, on this chord. Okay, this God is too much. Okay, oh, is too much. This one. Okay, I hope you can all see it. Okay, this God is too much. Then you go to this one. It's like from this one, it's too much. Then you come here. This one, okay, is too much. I love. You come here again. Then you say, I love him. Okay, it's like one. Okay, then 4, 6, 5, then 4, then 1. So very simple progression. Okay, it's like my God is too much. Oh, is too much. This God is too much. I love him. So please don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so this is how we play it. As I said, is 1, 4, 6, 5, then 4, 1. Sorry, this one. Okay, so yeah, before any waste of time, let's jump straight to F sharp. Okay, so in F sharp it starts right here on first inversion, same as G sharp. Okay, on 1 first inversion. Okay, my God is too much. Oh, is too much. This one. Okay, oh, is too much. Okay, it's like oh, this one. Oh, is too much. I love him. Okay, so same thing. Is too much. Oh, is too much. Oh, is too much. I love him. Okay, so yeah, is how it is. Is too much. My God is too much. Oh, is too much. Oh, is too much. Oh, is too much. I love him. So is how we play it. Okay, as I said, 1. Okay, then 4, 5, F, 5, 6. I mean 6, 5, then 4, then 1. Sorry for previous mistake. Okay, so yeah, is how we play it. Let's go to C sharp. Okay, so in C sharp it starts right here. My God is too much. Oh, is too this one. Sorry. Okay, actually it starts right here. Oh, is too much. Oh, is too much. I love him. My God is too much. Oh, is too much. Oh, is too much. I love him. My God is too much. Oh, is too much. Oh, is too much. I love him. So slow is too much. Oh, is too much. Oh, is too much. I love him. So yeah, this is how we play it. Very simple. Thank you.